Kavindani mawoni kivathukan'yo maendee na kumwa itina wa silikali nene kukwatiania na ila ya kaunti Ilovi mauthukumini kivathukan'yo. President Dr. William Ruto niwaendeea kutetea Wiw'Ano usu aiweta Ilovi ta musyi munene wa Kenya nonginya yaile Aineena Kavindani kala wakomana na mbunge sya kaunti nyumbani ya mbumbanio ya KICC musyini wa Ilovi. Ruto niwathingiliila kana aendeea kumya mautwi ma kutonyethya nthi ya Kenya kusonga na mbee atekwithukisya avinzani make. Mwandiki na musomi wa maudhui Stephen Mwema na ile vote.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto niwatetea tambia yake kukwatiania na Ngavana wa kaunti Ilovi Sakaja kuikia Wiw'Ano wa uthukumi pala silikali nene kutethesya kaunti ya Ilovi maunduni ma malelu kiwo kwa masoko kupetanga kikoba mwana maundu wangi ayasya nonginya musyi wa Ilovi waile.
I had a meeting with the governor of Nairobi because we need to sort out the city of Nairobi. The city of Nairobi is not just another county. This is the capital city of Kenya. This is the face of Kenya. This is the seat of the Republic of Kenya. Many people who say they have come to Kenya, they have actually come to Nairobi. And that is the impression they carry. If they find takataka all over the place, if they find the place in darkness, if they find the place people being mugged, that is the impression they get of our country. Ama? Yes. So I have a duty, and the law is there to assist the county of Nairobi to make sure that we present the right image of the Republic of Kenya.
Aineena umbanoni wa mbunge sya kaunti lo atoiwa musyini wa Ilovi Musumbi Ruto eyasya nonginya atongoi metekele kumya mautwi ma kutoa nthi ya Kenya na mbee ona ketha mautwi maikuendekania andu ingi.
Na lazima mtu akubali aitwe majina. Na lazima mtu akuwe unpopular, lakini we must make the right decisions for Kenya. You people, we are not elected to be popular. We are elected to do the right things for our nation. Make the right decisions for Kenya. I promise you, I will make my contribution to this great nation.
Kavindani Musumbi ni wakathia wia wa MCA ayasemena kianda kinene mubangoni wa kukwatia silikali sya mutiuko uneni wake kwa tombau ni munene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi.
As members of county assemblies, you are the frontline custodians and steadfast defenders of devolution. Over the past 13 years since devolution took root, you have built institutions where none existed previously. You established the legislative background and backbone upon which county governments operate today. You enacted the laws, frameworks, and regulatory structures that enable counties to function effectively in health, in agriculture, in trade, in planning, and local revenue administration.
Being a leader of a county assembly is a very, very significant assignment in this republic.
Stephen Mwema bilingi wa maudhui wa Mutongoi TV.